And there she is. Because I'm leaving it in the water. Just like that. I can still see the female off the bed. Although she's getting a little closer to it now. So got the female a little more upset now.
Why'd you put this on here?
So I can put a rod there if I needed to.
But why did you put both?
Okay, now they're both looking at it.
You put all three of them on there, and I don't have one on the boat.
That's not yours. That one, yours is still on at the house. Don't you put that paddle in the water. Put the paddle back, because I got two fish. We're going to try to catch them both.
But I'm not getting the fish. You're gonna get a fish.
Alright. I got the female. I got the female so mad she's going after my tube. I'm going to up my scout veil and get a mop jig right now. Alright, Jack, tell me about this fish.
This is a big fish.
What did Daddy catch it on? A mop jig.
Mop jig.
Alright, where are we at? What lake we at?
That's a seiko.
Who's a happy camper? Because we're going to go over to the beach now.
I am.
Alright, let's put that fish back. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Go!
Oh.
Will, get her, get her, get her, get her.
Uh-oh.
Get her. Get her, get her, get her, get her.
Okay, no, you rolled up too much. You got the reel in her mouth. Oh, you're going to break the line. Don't do that. Don't let do it. You got her without the water.
I did.
Who's going to put her back now?
I am.
Go. Nice shot.